If you're holding Iraqi dinar right now, every second counts because the numbers are moving quietly, strategically, and what looks like a tiny change in the exchange rate could mean thousands of dollars in or out of your pocket. The world isn't watching the din, but you should be. In this video, I'll show you today's live IQD numbers, what they actually mean for your next move, and how a single click at the right time could change everything. Stay with me because by the end, you'll have the tools to turn data into dollars. Welcome back to Dinar Community Channel. Nothing holds more sway over Iraqi dinar holders than the current exchange rate. It defines the real-time value of your holdings. As of today, June 29, 2025, the live mid-market rate, sourced from platforms like Wise, Z, Investing.com, and Trading Economics, sits at approximately 0.000763 United States dollars per IQD, equivalent to about 1 United States dollar equals 1,310 Iraqi dinars. Though this seems minuscule per dinar, for holders of millions or billions of IQD, every micro move can translate to significant sums. A key characteristic of the dinar in 2025 remains its stability. Over the past month, based on Wise, Z, and exchange-rates.org.uk data, the IQD USD price has barely budged, oscillating within a tight band between 0.000760 and 0.000766 United States dollars. This stability stems from the Iraqi central bank's active management, keeping the currency pegged to the US dollar, often linked to oil revenue and macroeconomic controls. Yet, beneath this apparent calm lie micro-movements susceptible to local flare-ups. Political announcements, OPEC decisions, or oil export deals can trigger subtle shifts in interbank rates. For savvy holders, capturing even a seemingly insignificant uptick, say from 0.000763 to 0.000766, is worth tens of dollars per million IQD exchanged. 1. Why a live mid-market rate matters. The mid-market rate reflects the true midpoint between interbank buy and sell prices, what wholesale traders use, and is updated by platforms like Z, Wise, and Investing.com every few seconds during active market hours. This isn't the retail rate you'll receive at banks, which includes hidden markups. Still, the mid-market price is crucial for benchmarking. It forms the base reference for institutional trades, wealth management offers, and private bank programs, e.g., Chase, Wells Fargo, BOA. Timing large transactions. A 0.000003 United States dollars improvement equals $3 per million IQD. Over 100 million Iraqi dinars, that's $300. Transparency. It levels the field for holders worldwide, even in markets with limited liquidity like IQD. 2. Current IQD rate snapshot. As of June 29, 2025, these platforms report. Platform 1 Iraqi dinar USD 1 United States dollar IQD daily change. Wise 0.000761 1310 0.00%. Z 0.0007631116, updated live. Investing.com bid ask 0.000764 bid 0.000779 ask, day range 0.000764. Trading Economics 0.0007636691, plus 0.000003 plus 0.04%. Exchange-rates.org.uk 1 United States dollar equals 1,310 Iraqi dinars, plus or minus 0.06% weekly. These consolidated sources show a stable peg, consistent across platforms, and confirm that any effective strategy must align with this band. 3. What drives small IQD swings? Even within a tightly controlled range, factors can gently nudge the IQD. CBI policy adjustments, reserve ratios, open market operations, or dollar auctions. Oil price impact. As Iraq's main export, any price volatility ripples into FX stability. Political clarity. Election results, budget updates, or security developments. FX demand shifts. Large transfers, business payments, or diaspora remittances. Speculation. Talk of revaluation or policy change prompts speculation-driven flows. Institutional players like Chase or Wells Fargo may react faster to these nuances than public banks, offering optimized rates to select clients. 4. Essential tracking tools. Real-time IQD tracking lets you spot favorable moments. Wise.com. Accurate live mid-market quotes, 30-day highs, lows, and simple alert setting. Z.com. Mid-market data, charts, bid-ask spreads updated live. Investing.com. Real-time bid-ask, technical indicators and alerts setup. Trading economics. Market context and 0.04% daily change insight. Exchange-rates.org.uk. Intraday tracking, USD right pointing arrow IQD charts, historical trends. Pro tip. Set an alert around your target, e.g., 0.000766 United States dollars and get notified when rates spike. 5. Interpreting the numbers. Large holdings matter. Exchanging 10 million Iraqi dinars at 0.000763 vs 0.000766 yields a difference of $30. Scale that to 100 million Iraqi dinars, and it's $300. Bank margin impact. A 1% bank margin can cost you $100 per 100 million Iraqi dinars, worth tracking blind spots. Private banking benefit. VIP programs may shave off part of that margin when tied to investment or deposit terms. Public exchanges. Commercial banks and exchanges layer in wider spreads, sometimes 1 to 5%. Tax and compliance prep. Document purchase rates and exchange dates using live rates as reference. 6. Mid-market versus spot versus retail rates. Mid-market. True interbank rate used in wholesale FX. Spot. The actual trade executed price, often close to mid, very short window for execution. Retail. Bank or exchange counter rate, includes hidden markup, commonly 0.5–2%. In a public branch, buying USD with IQD could cost 1% more than the mid-rate. For high-volume exchanges, even small markup matters. 7. Historical context. Key rate facts. Past 30 to 90 days. High approximately 0.0008, low approximately 0.00076, average approximately 0.0008. June 22nd spike. Momentary 0.001 United States dollars, likely a platform glitch or thin liquidity anomaly. Yearly average. Approximately 0.000765 United States dollars. While anomalies occur, the peg holds, delivering predictability. 8. Using a live tracker in strategy. Embed or link widget in your content so users see real-time rate. Explain differences. Mid-market versus bank retail. Show examples. At today's 0.000763, exchanging 50 million Iraqi dinars yields $38,150. If it hits 0.000766, that becomes $38,300. Use charts. Daily range with visual highlights. Educate about timing. Micro spikes align with market windows. 9. Implications for holders. 1. Document mid-rate. Timestamp screenshot before exchange. 2. Negotiate or compare margins. Ask banks their spread over mid-market. 3. Private versus public access. Private programs can offer better pricing for larger holders. 4. Watch for micro peaks. Spikes could reflect pre-RV speculation. 5. Legal tax compliance. Mid-market benchmark supports accurate reporting. 10. Future drivers. Oil market changes. Could loosen or strengthen peg. Central bank changes. Interest rate shifts, liquidity measures. Iraq governance. Stability opens up investor flows. International FX inclusion. If IQD becomes more commonly traded, volatility could increase. Geopolitical events. Regional tensions often sway reserve asset pricing. Prepare for possible wider band movement in 2026–27. 11. Scenario analysis. Best case. Rate edges to 0.00080 before RV, ideal exchange moment. Stable mid-case. Maintain 0.000763–0.000766. Timing secondary. Worst case. Sudden USD demand pushes peg lower, poor execution risk. Long-term. Post-RV, IQD may trade more freely, live tracking becomes essential. 12. Wrapping it all up. A live IQD rate tracker is more than a widget, it's a cornerstone tool for measuring every dollar of exchange value. Benchmarking retail offers. Timing maximum benefit windows. Documenting for transparency and tax compliance. For IR holders, it's the difference between exchanging at the right moment or seeing valuable gains slip through hidden spreads. In a controlled but evolving FX landscape, staying alert with real-time data gives you the edge. Action steps. Set up alerts on investing.com. Track mid-rate daily. Compare with bank quotes. Negotiate or seek private rates when holding large amounts. Document rate and fees for financial records. Monitor macro events for future rate shifts. In a revaluation era IQD world, whether you're exchanging 1 million or 100 million dinar, a live rate tracker isn't optional, it's essential. Know the numbers. Know the difference. Exchange with confidence.